Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ogo. If you're new to my channel, if you've just subscribed, hey! Today's video is all about me trying to figure out what to do to this hair. Y'all can see it's in a head wrap and I am itching to do something to it. So I got some clip-ins from Outre to try, and I just want to show you guys how I style them. So this is the hair I'll be working with today. It's the big beautiful hair clip-ins, and it's in the color natural black, and this style is the 4C Corkscrew Afro, so I'm hoping that blends well with my natural hair since I have, you know, kinky hair. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in here. It comes with 9 clip-ins, and they seem like pretty full bundles. Yeah, I'm excited. It comes in, you know, from 12 inches all the way to 3 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's correct. So 12 inches to 3 inches, and you can play around with these clip-ins as you figure out what you want to do with this style. It feels really soft for sure, so I'm excited to just put this on and see what I come up with for my hair. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for a little bit and see how it stretches over the next couple of days, because I'm just too excited to get my hair done at this point. And I don't want to do a lot of work on it because, you know, I just want to watch it do its thing, honestly. And it doesn't look too bad. Maybe I will just trim it a little bit. watching. That was a quick one. This is a style that you can basically throw on in 15 to 20 minutes and you're out the door and you're good to go and everything. So this hair is the big beautiful hair line, and these are the clip-ins. It comes with 9 pieces in that one pack, and this is in the style 4C Corkscrew Afro. And also this hair is 100% human hair premium blend, so it's not purely human hair, neither is it synthetic hair. So it's a good blend that gives you that affordability as well as you get a good use out of it. I got this in the color natural black, and it definitely matches my natural hair. Again, you have a wide range of options for this particular line because it comes with a wide range of styles, colors, something for everybody. Just figure out what you want. And again, if you're like me, you try everything. It is affordable, so you can try as many styles as you want. Just find what you would like to try. With 9 clip-ins, I expected that it would be 10 because usually clip-ins are 10. Like if you're not buying 6, you buy 10 based on what I've seen in websites. So I'm wondering why Outre sort of left that one piece out and not give us 10, but we're not complaining. It's okay. I'm sure they have their reasons. All I'm saying is usually I would expect 10 pieces in a clip-in pack, but truth be told, the 9 was more than enough. So I'm not unhappy about this at all because it came out well. So 9 clip-ins is more than enough. Even if you don't have leave outs, you can do an afro and do like bangs. So different ways to do this. So yeah, y'all go check it out and get what works for you, whatever texture you want, whatever color. And yeah, let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section as well. And make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up on this video to help me grow my channel, and leave me comments for whatever else y'all want to see on here, and I'll see you in the next video.